Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of my brand new album set coming out. Now I say album set because this was so large of a project. It ended up turning into 3 volumes to create this book. So otherwise it would have just been so thick, it just wouldn't have been functional and enjoyable to look at. So we have 3 volumes. They each have a similar cover, but they're each different in their own way. And they all have a pocket on the cover. Now in this video, I'm just going to be showing you volume 1. Once I finish up the covers of the other 2 volumes, I will be posting those here on YouTube as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so on the cover here, we have a large pocket. Now this album measures 10¼ by 10. Okay, and this is following Kathy King's basic tutorial from her Signature Stories collection. I took her, and I have the license for her basic tutorial, and so that was the inspiration for this. I've made quite a few changes in it to really customize it to be our own design. But I just want to do a shout out to her. She is amazing. Check her out. Check her videos out as well. Okay, so anyway, like I was saying, it's 10¼ by 10. The spine is 2 inches wide, and I really can't fit it all here on camera. I'm so sorry. The back, here's the back. And so volume 2 and volume 3 will have the same exact decorative paper as you see here, just the pocket will be slightly different. Now the book does not come with the photo mats and inserts. That is fully customizable to fit your needs. So I'll just show you an example. Here's a couple of large photo mats here that I've just put in just to kind of give you an idea. You can fit an 8x8 photo. You could crop down an 8x10 maybe because, like I said, it's 10 high, so I would probably crop it down a little bit, but you could print an 8x10 and just crop it down a little bit. But my thinking is your memorabilia, so like your park maps, if you want to keep those are always fun to keep and look back because they're changing all the time. So I would just tuck those in here. And maybe some of the like best photos that you got at the park or something. So anyway, let's open it up. So the inside, front cover and back cover is going to have a large clear pocket. Again, you can fit your larger photos. So I'm thinking, you could do a bunch of small photos too, of course, but I'm thinking those professional park photos that they take of you, blow those up and just really enjoy them and see them. And you could slide those right in here. This is a gusseted pocket so that you have a little bit of room to add quite a few photos. And I do have a tutorial on in my YouTube channel. It's in the mini album technique series that I'm doing. There's actually a video showing you how I put the gusseted pocket on to help you out. In your kit though, if you pick up one of these kits, and I will be putting the link below, this is still going to be a few months. We're shooting for May of 2021, but there's quite a lot of cutting that has to be done for these kits. So it's going to take some time. But in your kit, there will be, and I will be putting the link below once that is available. For now, I'll have the link just to my shop where you can see the other fun projects that I have available currently. But your instructions will have full, complete, step-by-step instructions on how to put all this together with photos and step-by-step. And also the photo mats that I created for my own album, I will put all of those measurements in there. Remember, you can do whatever measurements you want to do, whatever photos fit your needs. You can put whatever you want in there, but I will put my suggested, or the ones that I'm using in my book, just to help you out there for an extra little guide. So the thinking for this album, or the design, is I'm taking you through all of the lands in the park. So we're going to start off on Main Street. We're going to go through Tomorrowland, and Fantasyland and Adventureland and Frontierland and Critter Country and New Orleans Square and Toontown. So I'm taking you all the way through, and I don't think I said those all in the right order, but you'll see as we go through the book. So here we're starting off on Main Street, okay? It says, "To all who come to this happy place, welcome." And it's by Walt Disney. And I have a lovely image here, a silhouette of Walt and Mickey. I think that was just beautiful. There's magnets here. Any magnets that are in this book will be included in the kit as well. And this is all cut by machine. Most of it, I can't say all, but most of it is cut by machine. So yeah, it's going to take some time getting everything cut, but the decorative paper is already cut for you. You don't have to worry about cutting out decorative paper. The solid paper is all cut for you. Like I said, the only thing you're going to have to really cut are photo mats. Now, I don't have extra paper that's included in here for photo mats, but I do sell bulk sheets of black cardstock in my shop. So if you want to pick up one of those packs, that would be great to go along with this, or use whatever you have in your stash. Now this folds down, and like I said, it's hard to see on the, I can't back the camera up enough, so I apologize for that. But anyway, so you can add here any photos here you'd like. Now this actually is a pocket right here. So you could create a large photo mat and just slide that right in there. So that's really nice right there. So you can see that. Also right here is a pocket. There's lots of pockets in this. So you can slide that in there. Yeah, just like that. And then this one, I just show you some options. Like I said, these are going to be in the instructions to give you just ideas of what I did. On the back, I have just a collage of smaller photos. So you really can do anything. You do all kinds of stuff. So we've got Main Street, all the beautiful the hats on Main Street, and then we're going to flip this over. Now we're going into Tomorrowland. So we've got the Space Mountain here, another large pocket right here, lots of room for large photos. You can do some smaller photos here, just like that. So you can kind of see what it will look like with your photos. It looks beautiful without your photos, but it's very, very functional. You can add lots of photos to this book. And I forgot to do a count before, so I will figure out about how many, but I know it's quite a few pictures. And I'll put that number below in the description of about how many pictures that you can hold in this book. Okay, so we open this up and we've got R2-D2 and Star Tours, and I've used this beautiful mirror paper to really make it shine. We've got Chewbacca down here. Here's another magnet. You open this up and we've got Yoda. Very cool. And then we've got Mickey here on the ride. And then here we are heading towards Fantasyland now. So we're out of Tomorrowland and we're back on, we're nearing the castle. So we've got Mary Poppins. I don't know about you, but I always see Mary Poppins wandering around Main Street or around Fantasyland there. So we've got this. Now here's a photo mat. I've glued this in my book. Like I said, photo mats are not included, but I will give you the measurements. This is just a loose piece, so it's not connected like the other images are actually connected to the pages. So I just give you an idea here of how you could do it. This is a 5x7, but you could do, like if you had a group photo in front of the castle or something, you can do an 8x8 or a large 5x7 vertical. You can put Fantasyland down here at the bottom. You could do multiple images on here. Maybe you have a couple smaller ones. You want to put a couple 4x6s or something. So like I said, fully customizable when it comes to adding your photos in here. Same thing with this side. I've glued mine down, but you can actually make this an insertion point and just tuck some photos. Or you can do both. You can have one glued and one or two tucked in there. Now I think, did I glue it down too much? No, I didn't. It's just a little snug. But yeah, so you can do that and make them come out so you can have pictures on the back too. So lots of options. So we've got a beautiful shoe. Looks like Snow White. So I couldn't add every princess in this book, obviously. We don't know what pictures you're going to get with what princess. But this is just the Fantasyland section. And so that's why there's not a specific princess in here. I mean, this is obviously Snow White, but you don't have to have a picture with Snow White to put in here. This is just generic, general princessy area of the park. So you can really have, I tried to include as much of the park in these books as I could, but obviously there's so much more to it. So I couldn't add every single bit, but it doesn't mean you can't put your pictures in it. You don't have to have a specific decoration to throw your photos in there. Any pictures that you take in Fantasyland could go on these pages. So, and then we go back here, and some of these, let me just give a quick shout out. Some of these images are from various different places, like Pretty as a Princess and the Crown Border. That was from Miss Kate Cuttables, so shout out to her. The castle, let's see, I believe the castle is from Miss Kate Cuttables, yes. And then, but this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous carriage. This was done by Cuddly Cute Designs. She has beautiful cut files as well. So these are pockets also, if you haven't figured out yet. So you can tuck, let me see if I can just grab some. You can see that you can actually fit photos in here too. And this is a lovely clear pocket. Get a taller picture here. You can put in here. So this will actually fit a 5x7. Let me see. All right, so we have 4x6 that you can throw in here. A 5x7. You can see you can fit multiple pictures in here. So the white on here just represents your photo. I did this so I could see how many photos we could fit in here and how thick I needed to make the spine. But I can still fit a couple more pictures in here. But I would do probably 2. I even have, let me see. Hold on a second. I have a couple 3x4 photos, so you can put these in here, because I wouldn't want to cover up the images too much, but you know, obviously this is for our pictures, so you still want it to be functional as well as beautiful. So that's just to give you an idea. So that's it. So that's the end of volume 1, and then here's the inside back cover clear pocket as well. So all of this acetate will be in the kit. This will all be cut for you. You don't have to worry about cutting out the pocket. It's going to already be cut. You just have to glue down this. I have a video on YouTube. If it's not there yet, it's going to be. I've already filmed it, of how to do this clear pocket. Maybe not the specific one. I can't remember which one I used, but anyway, that will be on there as well. So that is volume 1. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments. If you love it, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Like I said, we've already started production on kits. We started at the beginning of January 2021. We are shooting for May. I need to go back and count, but I know there's at least over 50 different images that come with the whole set. And over 80 different decorative papers. There's just so much that's going into it. So it is taking a lot of time. I think I've been working on this book for like 2 years now. But I want to thank you everybody for being so patient with me and following along. I post updates on Facebook and Instagram. So stay tuned there, because we are finally in the production stages and these books are going to get out this year. So yeah, like I said, I'm shooting for May, but don't hold me to that. We are working every day on this set. And we're hoping to get done by May, but I really cannot promise you yet until we're more deep into it and seeing how the production is going. But thank you so much for tuning in, for watching this video. If you liked it, please click that thumbs up for me. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I already said that. But yeah, thank you so much again, and have a great day.